Today is April 17th, 2025. Welcome to 2025, everyone. And we got a new look for this year. I'm gonna be repping the cowboy hat. I'd like to think paying homage a little bit to the late great Chuck Doswell, but I love the cowboy hat look. Also got a brand new 4K camcorder from Canon. It is the Vixia G70. We're gonna test out this camcorder today here locally just so I can get more familiar with it. Slowly but surely we're making the upgrade. I get it, I'm a boomer. I'm not hip with the times. The biggest thing for me is, does this fit on the windshield mount? And it does. Not by much, but it does. Time's 1:55 p.m. Central Time. This is a historic little moment here for me. First ever Canon 4K camcorder used as my dash cam for hopefully the next decade or so. Image looks terrific. Updated plan is to head down 169 towards St. Peter. It seems like the further east this complex gets toward the Twin City Metro, the quicker it evaporates. Just passing through the north side of St. Peter, Minnesota, and we're looking northwest. Time is 2:57 p.m. This is the most intriguing thing I've seen all day. Finally, an updraft base. It's very high base, but that's to be expected. All right, found the region of convergence, kind of the general convergence line. You know, storms are a lot like people. And like all people in life, this storm in particular needs help. At least it's interesting. I found the interesting part of the storm today, so I call that a success.
Martin, Mauer, Nicolette, Rice, Steele, Wasika, and One-on-One.
This ain't gonna do jack or squat. Getting some small hail right now in the middle of downtown St. Peter, Minnesota. Time is 4:13 p.m. This poor man did not consult the local forecast. Oh man, that's gotta suck. Wow. All right, convection, give me a CG right here in front.
This is a radar indicated threat.
Yeah, it is. That was just to the left of me. Nice. Need a little shelf cloud way down there. Well, this is a bit better than I thought. It is green. It's like a green yellow. Here she comes!
Joe! Bill! It's coming! It's headed right for us!
It's already here! So far, I'd estimate 25. Oh, we got a shopping cart on the loose. Hydroplane. Doesn't matter what you're driving, if it's a sedan or a truck, you can easily hydroplane, especially in strong, severe weather. Be safe out there, guys. I'm starting to love this camcorder. See you in the next storm. Could be the 2025 Twisted Sky Tours. If I'm lucky, it could be something beforehand, but at this point, I'm only looking for tornadoes now. I'm ready to go.